Hey guys, I'm Shanley. Today I'm going to tell you about this Phantom Series 4000 watt mono amplifier from Boss. This Class D amplifier can handle up to 4000 watts RMS power and 4000 watts max power. It also features variable gain control as well as an input sensitivity selector. It has variable low-pass crossover, variable bass boost, and a variable subsonic filter. This amplifier also has a phase shift selector, as well as power and protection LED lights. This amplifier also comes with a 1-year manufacturer warranty. And as always, we offer unbeatable prices and fast, free shipping.